Good morning, everyone. Dr. Vicky here with Charlie, speaking to you from the Seeds of Transformation Healing Center. It is Sunday, the 28th of April, and the moon is in Capricorn. The moon moved into Capricorn around 5:30 this morning here on the East Coast, and the moon in Capricorn is a very practical moon. There is also sort of a bottom line with the Capricorn moon as there is with the Scorpio moon. But this is a bottom line around resources and a bottom line around how we can structure what needs to be structured in order to help support us. The moon, we have to remember, is an archetype of security. It's physical security, it's financial security, it's emotional security. And when the moon is in Capricorn, we err towards the more financial, physical security side of the security axis, as it were. We also have coming up for some very late tonight, and for others some very early tomorrow, is a conjunction between Mars, the planet of action, and Neptune, the planet of imagination, the planet of fantasy, the planet of idealism. Mars does like to move in a direction, and Mars likes to be direct, and of course Pisces is not known for its directness, and Mars in Pisces not. I don't know if any of you have ever seen a fish move in a total straight line, but it doesn't really happen quite like that. There's a meandering quality to Mars in Pisces. This conjunction is occurring at the last degrees of Pisces, and Neptune is in Pisces all year, but I believe this is the last year where it's in Pisces completely. I believe next year it dips into Aries, but I may not be accurate on that. But this is the last time I think that Mars and Neptune conjoin in Pisces, because this synodic cycle is a 2-year cycle. And 2 years from now, I believe Saturn and Neptune, I believe Saturn, Mars and Neptune may be in Aries. I have to check that. But that being said, Neptune's been in Pisces since 2011. Neptune spends 14 years in a sign, and it's powerfully placed in Pisces because Pisces is the ruling planet. Neptune is the ruling planet of Pisces. And so it's in its dignity. And we have seen in the last 14 years an expansion of a lot more water, a lot more flooding, a lot more dams breaking, a lot more crazy wet weather. I know here it's been warmer and wetter. So we do need to be careful with this conjunction, in that it could bring more water, more rain, more things like that. But it is really about planting a seed. And I would like to think the seed being planted with Mars and Neptune and Pisces is the seed of compassion. Is the seed of being your brothers and sisters. What's that expression? Keepers. Not keepers like, I'm going to tell you what to do and I'm going to tell you what to do with your body, but keepers in that lending a hand. There's definitely more weather events to come. Storms are getting more severe, more longer, larger. and earth changing and life changing. And that Pisces energy is just the energy where we're helping each other get through these disasters. And so if we can sort of focus on that which this energy, the best selves that this energy brings forth in us, I think that's worth focusing on. All right, what else? And then, which doesn't happen for another day or so, Mars will move into Aries. And remember, the North Node is in Aries, Mercury's in Aries, Chiron's in Aries, Mars will be in Aries. And it's about moving forward in a new way. So we will see how that comes out and what we do with that energy. But just technically, or just for some of us, we can feel with this Mars-Neptune conjunction, we can feel a little bit confused. We can feel as though we don't know what direction we're going in. But this can also be a very inspirational time. It's a really good time for poetry and dance and things where we can express our imaginative side using our physical self, our physical body. So if you need to dance out in your garden today, please do so. All right, guys. Woo, Charlie. There goes Charlie. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Take care of yourselves, and much love. Namaste.